Question 13, we've got two solids, A and B, and we're told that they're similar. The ratio of the height of solid A to the height of solid B is 2 to 5. And then we're told that the volume of solid A is 12 cubic centimetres, and we're asked to work out the volume of solid B. So here we are, solid A, solid B, height of solid A, HA, height of solid B, HB, and we're told that the ratio between those two heights is 2 to 5. So first thing I can say is HA divided by HB is equal to 2 over 5. Therefore, HA is 2/5 of HB. So therefore, HB is 5 over 2 times HA. Therefore, the volume of B is equal to 5 over 2 cubed multiplied by the volume of B. Because this guy here is the length scale factor going from A to B. Every length in A is multiplied by 5 over 2 when we come to B. And the volume will be the length scale factor cubed. And I've just seen I made a mistake there. This should be volume A. Okay, we're told that the volume A is 12. Okay, so VB, putting values in, 5 cubed is 125, divided by 2 cubed, which is 8, multiplied by the value we were told, which is 12. Cancelling down a little bit, I can put 4 into both of these. This is 2, and this is 3. So this is equal to 375 over 2, which is equal to 187.5. And this is centimetres cubed. And that is your answer.